Okay guys, we'll see how to use the ieee conference tool. So I went to the refine search and I put a custom date. So when I'm making this video, it's December 2024, and generally the conferences should be 3 or 4 months later. So I select that range. I'm located in New York City. So I selected USA, but I did not select city because I'm open to going everywhere. In the field of interest, I selected computing and processes, engineering profession, and general topics. I did not find any engineering, any field very specific to AI or NLP or quantitative finance or things like that. Um, so then I got some pages and I opened a few conferences. Let's check them out. So I found this nice conference. It's on 27th April. It's exactly 5 months later. Um, so abstract deadline was 11 November, so maybe this was too early. So I'm going to close this one. Let's look this one. So 6 months, 4 to 6 months is the time that I'm looking for. So paper submission deadline here is December 30. It's full paper, so that's it's like in 7 days. If I have a paper ready right now, I would submit it. Uh, and what else? Yes, and we will look at the registration type, student. We will go with student IEEE member, and I think this would be the registration price for a US student. So that this one is a good one. If I would have my paper ready today, I would have gone for this one. Let's look for this one. Abstract due, abstract decision, final paper. So this one is also looking good. Uh, System design. Let's look at the topics that. So data modeling, big data analytics. So this looks good. So this is something that we can put into our place. So this one was 7 days. This one also takes in just the abstract, which is also good. So this one is good. Let's look at the next one. So likewise, using the IEEE conference tool, I can find out the conference that are there. I'm looking for conferences that ideally select just the abstract. Uh, so this is June. This is like 7 8 months. The paper submission is 23, and it also takes AI and machine learning. So I found two. So like this, I can find the conferences that I want. All these conferences I got is from the official conference.ieee.org, and all these conferences go on the IEEE Explore, and from there you can publish it into a good journal. So submission open, and this is also a good one. So this is how we check for IEEE conferences.